I show you how to open my computer with work application. This is how we open our computer, like this. Power on button. Wait, it's there. Wait for it pops up. Now it's on. Now it's on. And what should we press? I'll show you how to off my computer. Like this. Right there. And close it like this. You know how to open your computer and off the computer. I hope you learn.